Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we'll look into the topic proportion. What is meant by proportion in mathematics? It is a way of saying how two variables are related to each other. So in proportion, we have two types, direct proportion and inverse proportion. So what is meant by direct proportion? When two quantities are in direct proportion, they increase or decrease at the same rate. That is, if one variable goes up, the other variable also goes up by the same factor. That is, the ratio between these two variables will always be same. If x and y are directly proportional, it is represented as y proportional to x. Written like this. Okay, there will be some value of k such that y is equal to kx. Where k is a constant. If you draw the graph of this y is equal to kx, you will be getting a linear graph with constant gradient k. If y is proportional to any function, then it is represented as y proportional to the function. Okay, for example, if the function is x square, y proportional to x square is written like this, and y is equal to some constant k x square. How to solve this direct proportionality equations? So four steps are there. The first step is set up the formula. If y is proportional to x square, the formula will be y is equal to k x square. Or if y is proportional to square root of x, y is equal to k multiplied by square root of x, like that. Then the next step is find the constant k by substituting the given values for x and y. The third step is write the formula for y in terms of x by substituting the value of k. And the last step is use this formula to find y or x for the given x or y value. Okay. Let's look into this first question. And this is an example for directly proportional type of questions. Y is proportional to the square of x minus 7. When x equal to 12, y is equal to 2. Find y when x equal to 17. Okay, what is your first step? You first write the formula. Okay, first set up the formula. Y is proportional to square of x minus 7. That is x minus 7 the whole square. Okay, then the formula will be y is equal to k the constant multiplied by x minus 7 the whole square. Okay, when x is 12, y is 2. So 2 is equal to k times 12 minus 7 the whole square. Okay, so make k as the subject. So 2 divided by 12 minus 7 will be 5. 5 square will be 25. So k is 2 over 25. So y is equal to 2 over 25 multiplied by x minus 7 the whole square. Now we've got the value of k and we substituted that in the formula. Okay. Next, find y when x equal to 17. When x equal to 17, what is y? Y is equal to 2 over 25 multiplied by 17 minus 7 the whole square. which is equal to 2 over 25 multiplied by 17 minus 7 is 10. 10 square is 100. Now let's cancel this one. 25 goes into 100 4 times. So 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. So y is equal to 8. Okay. The next question is y is directly proportional to x plus 3 the whole cube. So write y is proportional to x plus 3 the whole cube. Okay. Then what is y? Y is equal to k times x plus 3 the whole cube. When x equal to 2, y is 13.5. Substitute that to find the value of k. 13.5 equal to k times 2 plus 3 the whole cube. So what is k? 13.5 divided by 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 cube is 125. So this can be written as 135 divided by 1250, 250. Multiply and divide by 10. So we get this number. Now let's cancel this by 5. We get 27 and here it is 250. So the equation will be y is equal to 27 divided by 250 multiplied by x plus 3 the whole cube. Okay. So the question is find x when y is equal to 108. Now let's find out x when y is 108. Y is 108. 108 equal to 27 divided by 250 multiplied by x plus 3 the whole cube. Divide both the side by 9. We get 12 and here 3. Now divide both the side by 3, so we get 4. So 4 multiply both the side by 250. So 4 multiplied by 250 will be 1000, which is equal to x plus 3 the whole cube. Okay, so what is x plus 3? 1000 the whole power 1 over 3, which is equal to 10. Okay, so what is x? X is 10 minus 3, which is 7. So x is 7. Okay. Similarly, you can try these two questions. Y is directly proportional to the square root of x. Okay. So how to write y is proportional to square root of x? Okay. Then y is equal to k times square root of x. Substitute the x and y value so that you will get the k value. By substituting the k value in the derived formula, you can find the value of y when x is 25. Okay. So try this question and share your answer in the comment section. And the B part, a big question is P is directly proportional to Q plus 2 the whole square. So this will be Q plus 2 the whole square. then the formula will be P is equal to K times Q plus 2 the whole square. So substitute the value of Q and P to find the value of the constant K. Okay. By using that, find out the value of P when Q is 10. Share that question answer also in the comment section. Okay. Next topic is inversely proportional. So inversely proportion means when one variable goes up, the other one goes down. Okay. If y is inversely proportional to x, that means y is proportional to 1 over x. So inversely proportional means we will be writing like this. So there will be some value of k such that y is equal to k times 1 over x, or we can write k over x. Okay. So how to solve this inversely proportional type of questions? First set up the formula. Okay. Like y is equal to k divided by x, or y is equal to k divided by x square, or y is equal to k divided by square root of x, like that. Okay. Find k by substituting the given values for x and y. Then write the formula for y in terms of x by substituting the value of k, the constant. Okay. Use this formula to find the required quantity, that is x or y, depending on the question. So let's look into this example. Y is inversely proportional to the square root of x minus 2. Y is inversely proportional to the square root of x minus 2. Okay. This can be written as y is equal to k divided by square root of x minus 2. So it's given when x is 4.25, y is 12. So 12 equal to k divided by 4.25 minus 2. So what is k value? K is 12 multiplied by square root of 2.25. 18. So substitute the value of k in the equation. So y is equal to 18 divided by square root of x minus 2. So we need to find x when y is equal to 3. So 3 is equal to 18 divided by square root of x minus 2. Now divide both the side by 3. So we get 6 divided by square root of x minus 2. Now multiply both the side by square root of x minus 2. So x minus 2, square root of x minus 2 equal to 6. Now square both the sides. So we get x minus 2 equal to 6 square, which is nothing but 36. So x equal to, now add 2 on both the sides. So we get x equal to 38. The next question is the force of attraction F newtons between two magnets is inversely proportional to the square of the distance d between the magnets. When d is equal to 1.5, F is 48. Find an expression for F in terms of d. So it's given the force of attraction F is inversely proportional to the square of the distance. So 1 over d square. we can write F is equal to K divided by D square. When D is 1.5, F is 48. So what is K? K is 48 multiplied by 1.5 square, which is equal to 108. So F is equal to 108 divided by D square. The next part of the question is, when the distance between the two magnets is double, the new force is N times the original force. Work out the value of N. When the distance between the two magnets is doubled. So F is equal to 108 divided by distance is doubled. So D will become 2D. So 108 divided by 4 multiplied by D square. So this is the new force, the original force. Okay, I will write this as new force, and we know this part is 108 divided by D square is F. That is the original force. So new force equal to 1 over 4 multiplied by the original force. Okay, so the new force is N times the original force. So this will be the value of N. Now try this question C. Y is inversely proportional to x cube. So write y is proportional to 1 over x cube. Okay, then y is equal to k divided by x cube. Substitute the value of x and y to get the value of the constant k. Okay, and substitute the value of the k in the equation. So you will get y in terms of x. Okay, share your answer in the comment section. The next question is D. G is inversely proportional to the square of D. So G is proportional to 1 over D square. Try this question also. Okay, share your answer in the comment section. So the next question, it combines inversely proportional as well as directly proportional, both. So y is inversely proportional to square root of x. So y is proportional to 1 over square root of x. And x is directly proportional to w square. Okay. So what is y? Y is equal to k divided by square root of x. And we can write x equal to, I will use some other variable. I will use t multiplied by w square. Okay. So y is equal to k. For x, I'm going to substitute t w square. So square root of t w square will be equal to k divided by square root of t multiplied by 1 over w. So k divided by square root of t is a constant. Okay, so let's find out what is k divided by square root of t value by making that as a subject y multiplied by w. Okay, so when w is 12 and y is 12, this will be 144. Okay, so now what is y? Y is equal to y is equal to k divided by square root of t multiplied by 1 over w. Okay, so let's find out the constant k divided by square root of t value. It's given when w is 12, y is also equal to 12. I'll make k divided by square root of t as a subject. So I get y multiplied by w, which is 12 multiplied by 12, 144. Substitute the constant k divided by square root of t value. So we get y is equal to 144 divided by w. So we need to find y in terms of w. So we got it as y is equal to 144 divided by w. Try this question also and share your answer in the comment section. I hope you found this video useful. Check out the other iGCSE crash course videos from the description box. I'll provide the link for the video in which I have solved some other variation questions, proportionality questions. Okay.